This is a story about two children, one who hid to be heard,
and another who ran to be remembered. I present to you Kid and Leveret.
Found and forgotten fields of flaxen, I was the Leveret in hiding. Rowdy and rigorous, they reave and Rowdy there where the houses once stood. There used to be a kingdom for foolish majesty. Then he put his hands over his ears and welcomed entropy. Came the undergrowth, overburdening before. What is left is a hamlet and no wails or yore. Found and forgotten fields of flaxen, I was the Leveret in hiding. Rowdy and rigorous, they reave and Rowdy there where the houses once stood. Bum down the door and here I am beyond the chronic home. Here the stress, the feathers, lady, fare thee well to the hell that held your home foreboding. Farther off we'll go. Found and forgotten fields of flaxen, I was the Leveret in hiding. Rowdy and rigorous, they reave and Rowdy there where the houses once stood.
Father was a doll maker. He taught her how to weave. Once never met the marionette who took the thread when the burden lost his head. Oh, a spider, a spinner, believe her, she's a mother. A wolf, many mourns amidst the storm. She receives a knock on the door. A side of silver and lots of gold, hid among beasts of metal and money. Side was real and she was alone, but among bears of bark and leaves.
Found and forgotten,
But among boughs of bark and leaves.
found and forgotten.
But among boughs of bark and leaves.
Found and forgotten fields of flaxen, I was the Leveret. You are the